Good day everyone! Welcome back sa ating continuation ng ating example sa remainder and factor theorems. Now, we're going to have activity na naman. So, sasagutan natin yung first 5 na dito, na given polynomials. Then, the last 5 will be your activity. So use the factor theorem to determine whether or not the first polynomial is a factor of the second. Then give the remainder if the second polynomial is divided by the first polynomial. Okay, so ano nga yung i-review natin yung factor theorem? A divisor or a binomial is a factor of a polynomial if and only if the remainder is 0. So, yun lang yung dapat nating ipakita, that the remainder is 0. Pag hindi remainder is 0, ipakita lang daw natin yung remainder. Okay, so let's start answering number 1. So, for number 1, attach muna natin yung ating Illustrator pad. Okay, for number 1, so x minus 1 is our divisor and our polynomial is x squared plus 2x plus 5. So, magiging p of 1 is equal to 1 squared plus 2 times 1 plus 5. So 1 squared is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. So plus 2 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 5, 8. So ito yung remainder niya. So since the remainder is not 0, so x minus 1 is not a factor. So, x minus 1 is not. Lagyan lang natin ng not. Not a factor. So, kung gusto nyo pang i-verify ang sagot, you can use synthetic division. So, 1, 2, and 5. Bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 3. 3 times 1, 3. Then 8. So, remainder is 8. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Sige, gamitan na lang natin siya ng blank sheet. So, for number 2, the given for number 2 is x minus 1, yung divisor natin. Yung polynomial natin is x cubed minus x minus 2. So, solution natin, that is p of 1 is equal to 1 cubed minus 1 minus 2. So, 1 cubed is 1 minus 1 minus 2. So, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 2, negative 2. So, when using the synthetic division, actually yung synthetic division, or you can use any of the two. Pwede kayong gumamit ng synthetic division, or pwede nyo gamitan ng remainder theorem, or evaluating polynomial. So, depende na sa inyo kung saan kayo convenient. So, gamitin na lang natin both para ma-verify natin if tama ba yung sagot natin. So, the coefficient is 1. Missing yung x squared, diba? So, insert natin 0. Then, negative 1, negative 2. So, that is bring down 1. Then, 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1. This is 0. 0. Then, negative 2. So, the remainder is negative 2. So, ibig sabihin, therefore, x minus 1 is not a factor. Oh, bakit ayaw niya? Not, not a factor. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Yung x minus 4, tapos 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 9 minus 20. Okay, for number 3. For number 3, ang given is we have x minus 4, yung ating divisor. Tapos yung polynomial natin is 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 9x minus 20. So let's verify if yung x minus 4 is a factor. So using remainder theorem, we have p of 4, kasi opposite ng negative 4 is 4, is equal to 2 times 4 cubed minus 9 times 4 squared plus 9 times 4 minus 20. So you can use your calculator in simplifying this one. So this is 2. What is 4 squared? So 4 squared is 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 again. So that is 4 cubed is 64. So this one is 64 minus 9. So 4 squared, 16, plus 9 times 4, 36, minus 20. So 2 times 64, that's 128, minus 9 times 16. 9 times 16, 144, plus 36 minus 20. So, see, ilan kaya? So, 128 minus 144 plus 36 minus 20. So, the answer is 0. So, kung i-combine natin itong dalawa, so 128 plus 36, that's 164. Tapos itong negative 144 minus 20 is negative 164. So 0. So ibig sabihin, since 0 ang ating remainder, we can say that x minus 4 is a factor. So, this one is a factor. Kasi napalabas natin that the remainder is 0. Kung gusto pa ninyong i-verify, so let's verify na lang. If we're going to verify using synthetic division for yung ating divisor, then yung ating coefficient is 2. May missing term ba? This one is squared, cube squared x tapos constant. So walang missing term, wala tayong dapat i-insert. Minus 9 minus 20. So bring down 2, this is 8. So negative 1, negative 4, 9 plus negative 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And negative 20 plus 20, 0. So, ibig sabihin, factor yung x minus 4. So, x minus 4 is a factor. Okay, let's proceed to number 4. So, dalawa na lang. The rest will be your activity. So, don't be confused kung nag-iba na tayo ng variable. The same lang yan sila. Iniba lang yung variable. A nang ginamit dito. The same lang yan sa x. Kasi ang x, any letter is a variable naman. So, yung A dito, huwag kayong mag-confuse. Parang the same lang din yan sa X. Nag-change lang siya ng variable. Sige. So, let's answer number 4. So, dito tayo. Number 4. So, for number 4, we have A minus 1. Tapos, ang ating polynomial is A cubed. A cubed minus 2A squared plus A minus 2. So, using remainder theorem, we have P of 1 is equal to 1 cubed minus 2 times 1 squared plus 1 minus 2. So this one is 1. Then 1 cubed is 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 minus 2. So ito 1 minus 1, 0. So negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. So the remainder is negative 4. So try na natin using unsynthetic division. So 1. Coefficient natin, we have 1, negative 2, 1, negative 2. So bring down 1, so this is 1, negative 1. So negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Then, negative 1. So, negative 1 times 1 is 0. So, 0, negative 2. Bakit iba yung sagot natin? Tingnan natin na negative 1, negative 2, 1, negative 2. Tingnan natin yung sagot natin dito. 1, this is negative 2, 1, negative 2. Okay. So, hindi pala ito siya. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2, 0. So, naiwan pala is negative 2. Sorry. Or, negative 1 plus 1 kasi ito, di ba? 1 plus 1 is 2. So, isubtract natin yung negative 2 dito. So, 0 na yan. Wala na yan sila lahat. Ayun na lang negative 2. So, yun ang sagot natin. So, the remainder is negative 2. Since the remainder is negative 2, hindi siya 0. So, we can say that A minus 1 is not a factor. And let's proceed to number 5, the last number. Number 5. Number 5. So we have number 5, y plus 3. 2y cubed plus y squared minus 13y plus 6. So, nakita nyo yung importance ng pag-verify kasi 'di ba mali yung sagot natin dito sa using remainder, pero yung verify natin using the synthetic division, na found out natin na may something wrong with our answer. So, kung hindi kayo pretty sure sa sagot talaga ninyo, so you have to verify using another method, which is synthetic division, calculation, or evaluating polynomials. So, ano yun siya? For checking, double checking. Importante yun siya kung di tayo sure sa ating sagot. Okay, this one. Y ang ginamit na variable. So, this is P of negative 3. Bakit ang ibang rank writing natin? Is equal to 2 times negative 3 cubed plus negative 3 squared minus 13 times negative 3 plus 6. Okay, so simplify natin to negative 3 cube, that is negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 times uh, negative 3 again, ay positive 9 times negative 3, that's negative 27. Negative 27. Plus negative 3 squared, 9. So, negative 13 times negative 3, that's 39. So, plus positive 9. Plus 6. So, this one, negative 54. 2 times 20 is negative 27 is negative 54. Plus 9 plus 39 plus 6. So, i-add natin ito 9, 36, and 6. So, 36 plus 6, that's 36 plus 6 is 42, plus 9, 51. So, magiging negative 54 plus 51. So, negative 54 plus 51, negative 3. So, try daw natin using synthetic division. So, mag-double check tayo, no? So, our divisor is negative 3. Okay, may missing term ba? Well, there is no missing term. So, susulat na lang natin siya. 2, 1, tapos negative 13, 6. Sana pang 1 kasi ito understood na 1 man yung x natin dito. Ito ay yung y, 1. Coefficient niya. So, bring down to 2 times negative 3, negative 6. 1 plus negative 6 is negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 3, 15. Negative 13 plus 15 is 2. Negative 13 times 15 is 2. Tapos 2 times negative 3, that's 6. And negative 6, 0. There is something wrong with our answer kasi hindi siya pareho. So, double check natin yung ating remainder. There's something wrong with our answer. 2. Negative 3 cube is negative 27. Negative 27. Negative 27. Tapos, itong negative 3 squared is 9. Tapos, ito naman is 39 naman. And 6. So, ito siya. 2 times negative 54. Tapos, ito siya 9. Okay. Ito, bakit siya naging 36? Dapat 39. So, dito tayo nagkamali. Ito. So, it should be 39. 39. So, 39. So, 9 plus 39 is 48 plus 6, 54. So, 54 pala ito dito. So, 54, negative 54 plus 54 is equal to 0. So, equal to 0. So, ibig sabihin, since the remainder is 0, so, ibig sabihin, y plus 3 is a factor. So, this one is a factor. So, nakita nyo yung importance ng pag-verify. Kasi minsan, meron tayong may mga mistake tayo along the way. So, it is very important to double check. So, that is why sinasuggest ng libro na to double check. Pero if you are pretty sure naman with your answer, no need to double check your answer. So, kanina kasi di-double check natin and we found out na may something wrong with our answer. And nung binalikan natin, nakita natin na meron talaga something wrong. May mali tayong naisulat. So, yun na. So, tanda natin, pag yung remainder is 0, so it is a factor. Pag hindi naman, hindi equal to 0, so hindi siya factor. May remainder lang siya. Okay, so number 6, 7, 8. So, pwede yung screenshot. 7, 8. Yan. Screenshot nyo siya. This one, 6. Number 6, 7, 8. Okay, tapos na screenshot. 9 and 10 will be your activity. So, you're going to write your answer on a blank sheet of paper. Tapos, after nyo masagutan, you're going to use your camera. Tapos, isave nyo sa phone. Tapos, scan nyo using the cam scanner. Then, send it to our Google Classroom. So, ang required lang na ibigay ng sagot, it's either, pwede kayong mamili, pwede kayong, I will give you choices, pwede kayong gamitan ng factor theorem, or pwede yung gamitan ng synthetic division, tapos sabihin nyo kung factor ba siya or not. So, kung gusto ninyong dalawang gamitin nyo, it's okay. Pero, isa lang yung nire-require ko sa inyo. Pwede kayong mag-remainder theorem or pwede kayong mag-synthetic division. Then, sabihin nyo kung factor ba siya or hindi. Sige, so good luck to your activity. So, that's all for this video. Thank you and have a good day, everyone.